We are ready to begin Lesson 2 of Cursive Handwriting. Have your pencils ready, whatever colored pencil you're using, your regular pencil, and be thinking of our clock face in your smart head. Be thinking of our clock face. Our first letter today is the letter E. The letter E. Now the starting point for E is right there, and the ending point is there. So when we make an E, we either start with a little bit of a slant and go to the 2, and then we curve all the way around to the 4. So let's look at that. We start right about here at 9, and you do one of two things. You either come straight across and go up to 2, or you curve a little bit to 2. And then you circle around to 10, 8, baseline 4. And that's how we make the printed one. So let's take our colored pencil and skip that line, and I'm going to start right at 9, curve it up to 2, and come around. Okay? Leave a little bit of space so we have room to make our connecting lines. To 2, curve all the way around to 4, pick up your pencil. Curve it up to 2, all the way around, pick up your pencil. Now try to stay in the lower half. Got a little bit big there maybe, but try to stay more in the lower half. More like that. Make a 5th one. Now when we make the cursive, we'll make a very short upswing just to that point. Make our letter all the way around just like we do and come off of it. So it's a short upswing, make the letter, and then come off. Make sure you keep that loop part open. So now I'll take my regular pencil, start at the baseline, make a short upswing, come around, there you are. That's easy. Short upswing, there you are. Now I'm going to make these a little bit smaller because I made the orange ones a little bit too big. There. So start at the baseline, talk to yourself as you're making it. Upswing to, circle to 4. Upswing to, circle to 4. There we are. Okay, take your blue pencil or whatever other color you want to use and circle the one that you think is your best one. Now we're ready for the letter S. I like S. It's an interesting letter. Now remember, we're going to skip 3 lines and come down here. So S starts at 2 and it ends at 8. So let's look at our clock face here. We're going to start it at 2, curve it to 10, and then cross over to 4. And then curve it back up to 8. See, this is 10, and this is 4. There's your 2, and there's your 8. Okay? So that's how we're going to make it in our colored pencil. Skip 3 lines. Do it with me. Start at 2, 10, cross to 4, back up to 8. Leave a little space. 2, 10, cross back to 4, up to 8. Leave some space. 2, 10, cross 4, back up to 8. 2, 10, cross to 4, curve back to 8. And make number 5. 2, 4, cross over to, well, it's 2 to 10, cross over to 4, back up to 8. Okay, now when we make the cursive, we're going to make an upswing. A short upswing, it's going to go right to the 2. And watch what's going to happen. So we do a short upswing to the 2. See how that went right through where the space was for our letter? And we're not even going to go to the 10. We're going to come right back down to 4, 8, and then we're going to make a curve to upswing again. Do you see that? Let me make one here. We're going to make it like this. Now watch, I'm going to put the S right in the spot. It'd be right here like this. See that? Okay. So I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to do upswing to 2, shortcut 4, 8, make my connecting line. I'm going to upswing to 2, shortcut 4, 8, connecting line. Say it with me. Upswing 2, shortcut 4, 8, connect line. Upswing 2, 4, 8, connecting line. Upswing 2, 4, 8, connecting line. Now we're going to take our blue and find the best one and circle it. Now, if this is the first time you've made cursive, you will need to practice these more. What I'm doing is showing you this is not enough practice for you to master it. That's why we have lots of space for you to do more practice on your own. Our next one is the letter R. Let's look at it. Now, it starts at the midpoint, and you pull down through the 10 and the 8, and you push back to 10 and curve it to 2. Watch. Pull it down, push it back up to 10, curve to 2. So the starting point is right up there, and the ending point is right there at the 2. Okay. Let's take our orange or colored pencil, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 lines, and we're going to make an R. Start at the midpoint, pull down, push back up to 10, curve to 2. Midpoint, pull down, push back up to 10, curve to 2. Say it with me. Midline, pull down, push up to 10, curve to 2. Midline, pull down, push up to 10, curve to 2. Midline, pull down to 10, pull down to the baseline, push to 10, curve to 2. There you are. We have 5 of them. Now, I'm going to show you, watch me very carefully, how this becomes a cursive. We're going to go with an upswing, short upswing to our starting point. So we go up to that point. Now, watch. We're going to shortcut. We're going to go right over to the 2. You see how we did that? We went right to the 2, and now we're going to put on a connecting line. So all that's left of our R is that space right there. Okay? So let's pick up our pencil. Upswing, short upswing to the starting point, to the midline. Shortcut, trying to make it so you can see my pencil. Shortcut to the 2. Now put on the tail. Okay, so we go up to the starting point, short upswing to that starting point, shortcut to the 2, put on the tail. And you kind of curve that if you want to right here. It kind of dips. Doesn't have to, but you don't want to hump. So we go to the starting point. Let me see if I can get my pencil. Maybe, yeah, this is better. So you can see it. Shortcut to the ending point, to the 2. Connect. Upswing, shortcut to 2, connect. Upswing, shortcut to 2, connect. So if I think of that, see, that's how it goes, just like that. Find your best. and circle it. Maybe that's my best one. Our next letter is the letter I. Now, I we make by simply pulling it down. We just pull it down, right? When we make it, pull down and dot. Right. So the starting point is here, and the ending point is here, and then we dot it. We don't make a circle, we dot it. Right. Let's make a few eyes. In our colored pencil, skip 3 lines. And let's make some eyes. And a dot. Pull down, dot. Half point. Halfway. There. I've made 5 of them. Now when we make the cursive is an upswing to the starting point, come back down along it, make your tail, and dot. So it's upswing, come down like you're making that pathway, the same pathway, and then put on your connecting line. So upswing, pull it down, connect line, dot. Upswing, pull it down, connecting line, dot. Upswing, connect line, dot. Upswing, connect line, dot. Upswing, pull it down, connecting line. There you are. So we do up, pull it back down, and dot it. Which one is your best one? Circle it. And our last letter for this lesson is J. Now J starts, same place the I started. We're going to pull down and we get below that baseline and we put that tail on from 4 to 8 and it ends right here and then we dot it. So pick up your colored pencil, skip 3 lines and make the letter J. Make a second one. Pull down, make the tail. Make sure it's going from 4 to 8. Ooh, that was an awfully tall one I made. That was not a good one. Start at the midpoint. I was talking. Let me make another one. Start at the midpoint. There. Now to make the cursive, we're going to do an upswing starting point, then track right down like you're making the letter, and when you get to the ending point, you cross over and go to the next letter. So when we make it, we go up, we come down, we cross over, and we dot. Okay. Take your regular pencil, make the short upswing, track back down over the letter, do the tail, and cross right at the baseline there. Did you see where I crossed right at the baseline? Upswing, pull down, curve in your tail, cross over to go to the next letter. That's tall. I'm not going to go that tall. Upswing, pull it down, tail, cross it over. Make it a little bit higher on the screen for you. Upswing, short one, pull down, curve, cross. Upswing, pull it down, curve to make your tail, cross over and go to the next letter. Upswing, pull it down, make your tail, cross it over to the next letter. And then try making one without the letter backdrop. And dot. Well, did I dot them? It doesn't look like I dotted them, does it? I hope you dotted yours. Okay, let's circle our best one. I think this may be my best one. Now, practice more. whenever you can, and you can make your E's and your S and your R and everything, make them in orange, and then write on top of them and practice. Pay close attention, and then try doing some without a colored letter backdrop. This completes our second lesson.